Alright, yeah. First moment on this thing. Pump. Little, small, tiny, belt. That. Yeah. Catch me in the middle of my day, doing some music, and I'm not the best in moods. That's what I was telling you about before. Sometimes I'm in a good mood, sometimes I'm not in a mood, sometimes I'm just in a mood. I'm in a mood right now. Because it's a long day, no food. Why? Because I'm working. Would I have done this before? Pump? Yes. Difference? My sugars are good. I'm in a 70 zone, which is kind of scary because, you know, something like this, sugar's kind of all over the place. 150, 160, 170, 110, 190, 70, 60 dropping. Kind of just is what it is. But I'm good. And I'm testing and I'm good. It's going to be a longer day. So it's been cool so far. Liking that. And supplies on time. And I got started out with a 4-month supply, or actually a 3-month supply, which is important. So I'll have to keep on ordering. And I've been getting a multitude of options on how to do this. You know, I emailed it one day, called it in because there's some stuff that I had forgotten. And they actually followed up a call with me and say, "Well, didn't you remember this?" And yeah, well, I remember it now. So followed up with an email back, and they got me my stuff. 24-hour turnaround, good stuff. But the biggest thing that I've noticed here is feeling normal. What is that? I don't know. Because I've been feeling so abnormal for so long that I don't know if this is just like that what do you call that? That euphoria type with any new thing. And but so far I don't feel all that crappiness that goes along with the fluctuation. Even fluctuating in normal zones, you're just not feeling right. And so it's been kind of cool. More energy, but it's a normal energy. You don't even notice it's there, except for the fact that you're not feeling tired and feeling like you got hit by a Mack truck. Isn't that what you said, Gwen? Gwen's the one, the owner of Pumps. I bet you feel like you get hit by a Mack truck. That's not the way she talks, but I don't make it fun. And she was right, actually. There's nothing more that sums it up. Diabetic feels like a Mack truck hit him most of the time. And he's got to manage his way like a superhero after getting up from being hit by a Mack truck. I'm feeling good. I don't feel like I got hit by a Mack truck. I don't even feel like I got hit by a Beetle. I feel like I'm normal. Pulling some long days because that's what my life is about. You know, knocking off this music thing, hearing the same song over and over and over and over again, which is good. But it's better after the song is done. But you know, have some issues as far as food is concerned. You know how that stuff is. You got 5 people going out there and trying to handle it, and they're ordering their stuff, and they bring you back the wrong stuff that you ordered. Normally, that'd be a problem. But today, it was an irritant, but it wasn't a problem. So, cool, man. Because I was able to make adjustments. You'll learn that when you get on the pump. I'm not pushing pump. I'm just saying so far, this little honeymoon, that's what they call it. We're in the honeymoon phase. Still on probation, pal. Alright, gotta get back to work. Kid, teen, young adult. Diabetes has been their entire way. I'm looking for a better way. Follow me at pumpster.com. Dorian Gregory looking for a better way.